Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night. Before we get into anything, make sure to like and subscribe, it really helps out. So as you've probably seen in the title, I will be showing you how to make a loading screen. This is by far the most easy method of making a loading screen I've ever seen. This method takes no scripting experience at all, or UI design experience neither. Alright, so let's get right into it. Okay, so first you're going to want this plugin. This is how it should look. The plugin will be linked in the pinned comment. So first you're going to want to press create. You can choose either on of these, but I'll choose the one on top. Now you can fill in the game info, for example the creator and the game name.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have.
So unfortunately the color options don't work, but you can do that manually. When you're done, press create, and then this would pop up. Okay, so you should be done now, but always make sure it actually put it into your game. You can check by pressing server script service. At this point you can manually change the color of the UI, but I will keep it like this for the sake of the video. You can look around if you want to change something. Only change things if you know how. Always keep the credits as a way to show the developer of the plugin respect. Press this if you want to change the color of the letters. I will also keep this the same. You can also just look around to see if everything is like you want it. For example, color, size, and stuff like that. You can see me just looking around to see if everything is alright. So when you're done, just go into test mode and check out your loading screen. If you did everything like I told you, it should work. That's how it should work. So as you see, that was really easy. Maybe even the easiest method out there. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe, it really helps out. And make sure to follow my Twitter and Roblox profile, I greatly appreciate it when someone follows. I wish you good luck in your game development journey. Thanks for watching, bye.